I'm so late today. Let's go. Okay, so it's so precarious putting these butters in the car. I feel like they'll melt any second. But I've turned on my seat heater, or my cooling, and I'm trying to keep it away from surfaces. All right, it's 1:11, 111. That means something great. So let's get to work. I'm wearing my husband's shirt today, outfit of the day. H&M shirt. Oh my gosh, I'm like repping H&M. H&M shirt, H&M biker shorts that I'll show you later. I have my crystal slides from Famous Footwear, scrunchie from Bree Maquillage, bra from my sister's closet. Thanks, Brooke. And undies from Motherhood Maternity. They go up really high. They're supposed to have like some like support. I need to get new ones. But these are by far the best material. But I don't know if Motherhood is even open anymore. I haven't seen it. Ah! Saved by a cup. It's every day, bro. It's every day. All right, we're in the store. I'm eating my salad. It is a Cobb salad. It's delicious. I definitely get too much ranch, but that's okay. Husband is here. Do you want to be on the vlog? He got a pizza from, what were you doing today?
You're gonna cut it? I'm in my big.
I can cut it until you say it's ready. You're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. So husband is here. He got a big pizza from volunteering this morning. What did you do? He has a large bite.
Help save the humanity.
Help save the humanity. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, we are calling our printer for posters. Should we put them up tomorrow or should we wait until Thursday? We should wait until Thursday. And I just posted that we're doing the reveal today on Instagram. So I'm getting everything together. I just need to make a set of nails and I think that's it. That's crazy, babe. We're done. Like, I'm done. Also, we have samples. Let's go to Ollie's. I'm literally so thirsty. It's like 105 degrees outside and I'm thirsty and I need more drink. Look who it is. Besties with testes. I miss you guys. I love you.
We miss you too.
Support them in every way that you can. We love them.
100.
You got the bag? Thanks, babe. All right, my sister picked me up. We're gonna go do something. I got a camp out cold brew. What did you get?
Watermelon nitro with soft top.
Cheers.
You have to say thank you.
The soft top is so good. What do you think about your? Did you get anything past the soft top?
Yeah, just the nitro. It's not mixed in with the watermelon. So
Ew.
I need to mix that.
Okay, we're gonna go to Joanne. Bye.
Can I be a little bit ghetto today?
What's up? We're painting. We are literally wearing trash bags.
It's so good. Oh.
We're painting these displays white, getting ready for the launch. So have fun watching that. There we go. All right, you guys, we are ready to reveal the cotton candy collection coming July 22nd. Here's our collection. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Let's go through everything piece by piece. So, first of all, we have these cotton candy hydrocolloid acne patches. Then to keep it in the realm of skincare, we have these beautiful makeup removing towelettes that are reusable, so it's saving the environment and they take off your makeup like amazing. They're under construction, so this is what they're gonna look like. It has these delicious cotton candy scrunchies. Literally could not be a cotton candy launch without this freaking bubble pop. Like, are you kidding me? What is more cotton candy? And we have these adorable earrings and necklaces that are little cotton candies. Like, are you kidding me? And they come in a bunch of different delicious flavors, colors. We have delicious, yummy sugar scrub, Tree Hut, could never. Cotton candy scented, beautiful. Get all of those dead skin cells out of your life. Get a new boyfriend, get a new job, get a new house, everything with this sugar scrub. Once you scrubbed away the dead cells in your life, we have these gorgeous body butters. You do not even know how good these smell. They have a slight shimmer in them that's not too annoying. Stay tuned for swatches and amazing before and afters. Of course, it couldn't be a Bree launch without lip glosses. So we have large lip glosses and this cute little duo. Last but not least, we have these stunning custom cotton candy nail sets. Every single one of them is different. So we will talk all about everything in tomorrow's Q&A. Leave all of your questions down below. I will answer everything that you guys ask. And I am literally so excited for the launch on Thursday. All right, we're getting ready. I just posted my sneak peek on TikTok. And we're changing signs. Yas. The other one has to go over there, and I'm like disinclined to move that dresser today. So I'm not doing it. I'm not gonna do it. Just put the poster over there. This last one is gonna go up here. We can just move the dresser over a little bit and be able to see it. We painted these white. I think yours is red. And your girl has gotta go to my family. Okay. Yay, let's go. How cute though. I love it. It is so hot. Whew! Look at the sky. Look at that sky. Wow. I'm gonna go home and literally paint nails for my entire night. The only thing I have left to do is paint the nails, make the makeup, jar the glitter, and oops. And nails, makeup, glitter, necklaces. That's all I have left to do. I'm literally so close to being done with everything. The launch is on Thursday. Hi, we are dyeing our cotton candy. So I have to figure out how to do this. Get hot water going. Oh well, it's not for like a shirt or anything. It's for a decoration. I don't know how any of this works. Nobody talks to me about anything. Okay, that looks great. I don't know. So my plan is to just dye this pink and blue, and then I can use it as like decoration, like cotton candy decoration. Right? Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna work. Okay, I put containers on top of them. I didn't even try to put the blue on the blue and the pink on the pink. That just kind of happened. Anyway, they're gonna soak. And yeah. Hi, it's me again. It's 2:01 in the morning. We're having a burrito break. She's helping with the baby. It is 5:57. The sun is coming up. I'm not even done, but I'm going to bed. See you.